Hi, Jay at Xpresscreen. Today we want to talk to you for our Tip Tuesday subject. How about squeegees for a moment? A lot of screen printers don't take enough thought into their squeegees, and this should be something that you are looking at every week. Several things that you want to look for bad squeegee. Number one, hardened blade. I mean, that's not even 100 durometer. That's a piece of rock right there. It's absolutely worthless. So a lot of times on these wooden squeegees, you can actually unscrew the screws, pull it out, and you can order your own length of squeegee that you want. There's no sense in sharpening this one. That blade it's ready for the trash. And so you got a good bend to it. And remember, over a period of time of spraying chemicals on it, cleaning it, and rubber, just age itself, they're going to start hardening up. So you shouldn't have anything too hard. We usually recommend with our screens a 60 or 70 durometer, and that's usually, when you see a squeegee that color, it's usually 60-70 durometer. These are some of the Japanese squeegees that are 60 durometer that we have. And then you've probably also heard of triple durometer, and so this is a 70-90-70 here. We use these at the shows a lot. They're firmer in the middle and soft on the outside of it. Another thing that you want to look for is how flat it is, and then you'll hear people talk about sharpening your squeegees, because you want a perfectly flat edge, because you're printing on a perfectly flat platen, or you should be. And so one way you can test is to take your squeegee and put it against your platen and shine a light from behind it. And if you can see light through it, that means you're getting a wave in your squeegee. Now, small wave can be corrected by sharpening it, and a sharpener is basically a long belt sander. It's just going to put a flat, smooth edge on it. If it's got too much wave in it, you're going to need to replace it. Can you flip them upside down? You sure can, but I can tell you, if it's got a big wave in it, you're just wasting your time turning the blade over. You may as well throw it in the trash and get another fresh blade for it. So just because it's nasty looking, don't mean it don't still print good. This one's been around for a while here, as you can see. Printed quite a bit, but it's still in good shape. It's nice and flat. So that's the tips for today on squeegees. Oh, another thing, when you are resting them, rest them on their spines, and that'll keep them from bending as much. So you don't ever want to rest a squeegee like this. You always want to rest it on its back. And it's okay if you have them hanging off the wall like that, off of a rack. But if you're going to rest them on their spine. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.